Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kemal Firdaus Semendawai. I'm from 4H class, Manufacture MSU. And in this video, I will present to you the revision video of the simulation to milling CNC machine. And in this case, I will use Mastercam X5 software. So, as you can see, this is the workpiece that we want to operate. So, the first thing we have to do is going to machine type and choose the machine that we want to use. It is a milling machine. Set it to default, and then we set up the stock setup here with bounding box, and it will appear it automatically, and we choose OK. The first operation we need to do is to make a contour on the outer region of the workpiece. So we are going to the toolpath group here. Uh, we are going to mill toolpath and choose contour. And then we select the chain of the workpiece. Okay, and then we rotate it. The toolpath type, we choose contour. The tool, this is the revision. In the previous video, I choose the 10 millimeters flat end mill, and it's bigger than we want, so we choose the smaller one. It is the 5 millimeter flat end mill. And then the cut parameters, we turn on the depth cuts. For the depth cuts here, the maximum rough step is 3 millimeters, and then for the finish cut we want it 2 times, and the finish step it's 0.2 millimeters, and we want to keep tool down. For the lead in and out, we are going to change it to the 50%, and also for the exit, we are going to multi-paces here. The rough, we want to times rough cut with 3 millimeters spacing, and then we want to times finish cut with 0.5 millimeters, and we want to keep tool down. We are going to linking parameters here, and we turn on clearance with absolute, and we change all of it to absolute, because in this case we will uh, operate with absolute method. It's already done, and it will appear the toolpath here, and we are going to simulate with verify selected operation. So we slow down it a little bit, and then this is the simulation of the first operation. It is the contour of the outer region of the workpiece. So the first thing is rough cut, and then after that there are finishing cut. So the workpiece will be smooth on the surface and will be flat. Okay, the simulation is already done. We click OK. And then the second operation we need to do is we want to make the pocket here. So we are going to toolpath group, and then we going to mill toolpath, and then we make a pocket. This is the revision 2. In previous video, I choose the contour here, but in this video, the revision, we are going to make a pocket here. So what's the difference? Okay, we choose here, and the differences is in toolpath type. Before is in the contour, the pocket here, and for the roughing, we are going to make it zigzag. Okay, and then we are going to depth cuts. The tool is the same, still the same as previous operation. It is the contour. We going to operate it with 5 millimeter flat end mill. We are going to depth cuts. Maximum rough step is the same, 3, and then we want to make finish cut 2 times, and then the finishing step with 0.2, and then we keep tool down, and then going to linking parameters, we turn on the clearance. We're going to make it all of them absolute, and the depth is 0. Okay, it's already done, and it will appear the toolpath here, and we simulate them. we will simulate the pocket area. So we verify selected operation here, and then we start the simulation. The same as before, it will do the roughing cut first, and then they are going to finishing cut after that. So the surface will be flat and smooth. Okay. After that, we want to make a hole here with drill. So we are going to toolpath group, and then we are going to mill toolpath and choose drill. And then we select 4 of the circle, and then we click OK. We choose the drill toolpath type, and then the tool here, we select on library. In this case, the circle is in the 6 diameter, so we choose the 6mm drill. We click OK, and then the linking parameters here, we turn on the clearance, and then we make it all of them is absolute, and the depth is 0. Okay. We are going to simulate. Okay. There are also revision on this operation. As we can see, there are not smooth flat surface on the drilling, so we need to make another operation here on the same area. It is the toolpath group. We are going to drill it again, but with another tool. So we change the tool. We click 4 of them. Okay, click OK. And then with the same toolpath, but we choose another tool. It is we are going to filter here. It is already. We are going to choose 6mm flat end mill, so the surface will be flat. All right. We are going to linking parameters, and the depth is 0. Okay. And then we simulate all of them. We click all of them, and then we simulate from the first until the end. Okay, we can see from here, and then we play. This is the first operation, contouring the outer region of the workpiece, roughing cuts, and then after that the machine will do the finishing cuts, so the surface will be flat and smooth. And then it will go to the second operation after the first operation is finished. Okay, this is the second operation, the pocketing in the inner area of the workpiece. Okay, after that, the first drill and the second drill. Okay, it's already done. After that, we can convert this toolpath into the G code. So we can make this as real in the CNC milling machine. So we click here, and then we save. It will loading, and then wait a little bit. Okay, this is the G code of the toolpath operation here. Okay, I think it's already done. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.